Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft Programming with Python. So in today's video we're going to move on to super jumps. So if you don't understand what I mean by that, is basically in the previous videos you've taken the player's position or location and you've teleported it to a different area. But we're taking it a step further. We're going to send the player high into the air by using the power of addition, which is one of the operators that we learnt. First we have to find out where the player is by calling getTilePods. This is a function that will be explained soon. So as you can see, I've added some code. This is code that we're going to be using today, and I've added the extra code already, so to speed up the video. So basically what this is calculating the position of the player, so then we can make the player then move upwards or jump upwards by however many blocks you want to. So if you're wondering, the dot notation between the position variable and the x, y and z is called dot notation. Dot notation is used by certain variables and functions, such as all the functions used in Minecraft, such as setTilePods, setPods and all of those. Once you have the player's position, you can set the x, y and z variables to the player's current coordinates, which are represented by position x, position y and position z. You can then teleport anywhere you want in relation to the current coordinates that you've put in now. So you can go and jump in anywhere you want. And you can go and teleport anywhere you want as well. So now we've done that, we've got two more lines to add, and if you remember when we were using the block type, we did that in the previous video. This is very similar to that, very similar lines of code, but with just some different functions. So if we go and write this now, mc.player.setTilePods, pods with a capital, tile is with, there we go, that's how you spell tile, and we put in the x, y and z coordinates with commas next to each other, as you already know. So there we go, that allows the player to move along five blocks along the x-axis or the y-axis, whichever one you like. But this isn't that good. I mean, you can move like the player anywhere you want horizontally by using the WASD keys. But making the player jump, now that is a different. Now that is special. So now if you go and save this file, let's go and save as, and let's go to our math folder in our Minecraft Python folder and save this folder as super jump. So super jump, there we go. Sorry, jump. And if you go and save it, there we go, we've saved it. But as I said, moving horizontally isn't that good. Moving up and down or jumping is a lot more better. So let's go and change it into y, because y expresses when we go up and down. So now if we go and obviously we've saved it. Now if you go and open up Minecraft and see if it works, it will be really cool. So what I'll do is cut ahead in the video till I'm back opened up Minecraft. By the way guys, if you do not remember how to, if you do get a message like this that says cannot connect to server, then all you have to do is go back onto the folders and go to your Minecraft Python folder, go to your new world folder and double click start server. It asks you whether you want to open it. You know it's safe, so you open it, and then a whole list of just coding and stuff will just appear. You wait till that ends, and then Minecraft will be fresh and ready to go. So I'll cut ahead once more till this is finished. So once you've done that, Minecraft should be open up and ready to go. So now we can minimize this. But I tried it once, but the thing is, it's way too fast. So it does bring you up into the air, but then it's so fast that by the time I open up Minecraft, that it's already done. So I won't get to see it. So what I have to do is do something that we actually learned quite a while ago, which is import time, which was one of the modules that we learned quite a while ago. And if we're going to do that now, then let's put time.sleep and then input 10 seconds. So we have, or 5 seconds, we have a decent amount of time to watch it go. Just go run module. Okay, yes, we saved it. So now if you can wait 5 seconds, we should be in the air in roughly 5 seconds. There we go. So as you saw, I just dropped in from the air. So if you didn't quite see that, let me run that again, but with a bigger number, so it looks better, obviously. So let's put in 11, and then if you run the program once more, oops, we need to save it, obviously. There we go. So now if we go and wait a couple of 5 seconds, we should be in the air soon enough. There we go. So as you can see, I was here and I got teleported up there to drop to the ground. So if you remember in the previous video, we went over addition as one of the operators. Now let's move on to subtraction. Imagine you lose some health in Minecraft whilst you're hunting. So you had health equals 20, and health is a variable, and 20 is the value you assign to it, and then you lose 2 health. So health equals health minus 2, because that is a variable that was assigned to the 20, and now that will be changed to 18. So the value of the health statement is now 18. Python works out the result of the operation on the right of the equal sign and sets the variable to that value. So that was today's video. It was a little bit shorter than the last one, but it was also very interesting because we saw how we could jump, the player could jump in Minecraft, and we learned a brand new operator, well, about it in Python, how to use it in Python. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video.